Hi, this is Joyce. Just want to go really quick over the Module 1 objectives and how you will be able to successfully meet those. There's 3 objectives for this module. One is to describe early childhood education. The second one is to summarize the roles and responsibilities that those of us in this profession engage in on a regular basis. And then you will also be reviewing the externship expectations and procedures. So how are you going to be able to meet those? If you go to Module 1 on the left menu of the course and click on that tab, the first thing you'll see, it'll be called Lesson Content. And if you open up that, that's what really is going to show you everything that you need to do for the week. So there's going to be listed your objectives again that I just stated. There's going to be the readings in the textbook. There's going to be the online lectures, and there's a couple of those this week. And then it's going to show you what the assignments that you need to do. Then you'll go back out of that one and click on the second thing under the module, which is the actual assignments. And that's when you actually are opening up the assignment, which will have the drop box for you in order to complete your assignment and submit it to me. So when we're looking at the objectives for this week, talking about early childhood education, in the discussion post, you're going to be able to talk about kind of some reasons why you chose to come into this field or how you got to this field. Sometimes people start in other fields and come in here. There'll be a written paper this week where you'll be seeing 2 different images. One will be showing you an image that is probably more appropriate in the early childhood with young children, and one scene that would be more appropriate with older children. So you're asked to describe what you see in both of those photos and to indicate which one you feel is more appropriate for early childhood and why. You will also need to be turning in your timesheet already this week. So at the end of this first week, you'll turn in a timesheet, and you can find out how to do all that with the timesheet if you go on that left margin under the word discussions, and then you'll see general course questions. And I posted there all the instructions for what you need to do and another copy of the timesheet there as well. Make sure you ask if you have any questions, because you do need to turn in a timesheet each week. And then finally, for this first week, you'll be looking at the expectations for externships. So there's a profile sheet that is mandatory that you need to fill out. It's a Word document. You type right on it, and make sure you fill in every single spot on that profile sheet. The second thing you'll be doing is there'll be a link for you to go in and look at an externship handbook, and at the end of that, in the very last page, is a signature page. So you need to print off just that last page, sign it, and date it, and then you'll always have options to either scan documents, just like with your timesheet, scan them and save them as a PDF file, or you can take an image of them. That will give you a JPEG file, and then you'll need to save that JPEG file and copy and paste it into a Word document. So anytime you're sending me something this quarter, it's either going to be as a PDF file or as a Word document. So hopefully that gets you started off, and each week I'll be giving you just some tips at the beginning of the week like this. So hopefully this is helpful, and if you want any other information, make sure you contact me. Thank you. Bye.